Tonight, you are about to raise your vibration and reconnect with the powerful energy already living within you. As you drift into deep sleep, your subconscious mind will begin releasing negativity, fear, stress, and emotional heaviness, while aligning your energy with peace, love, abundance, healing, and higher consciousness. This is your moment to let go completely. Allow the outside world to fade away. Nothing else matters right now except your peace. Take a slow, deep breath in. And gently exhale. Again, breathe in light and positive energy. And breathe out stress and negativity. Feel your body beginning to soften and relax naturally. Your shoulders loosen. Your jaw relaxes. Your thoughts slow down gently. Every breath carries you deeper into peace. Tonight, your energy begins transforming. Imagine now a beautiful golden white light slowly appearing above your head. This glowing energy feels peaceful, loving, and powerful. It carries healing, calmness, positivity, and spiritual balance. Feel this beautiful light flowing gently through your mind, dissolving overthinking, quieting anxiety, calming every racing thought. Your mind becomes still. As this peaceful energy moves through your heart, emotional heaviness begins melting away. Fear leaves your body. Stress fades softly into the distance. Negativity loses its power completely. You are becoming lighter. Higher. More peaceful. Tonight, your vibration begins rising naturally. Quietly repeat these affirmations in your mind, or simply allow them to flow deeply into your subconscious. I radiate positive energy. My vibration rises naturally. I release all negativity. Peace flows through me completely. I attract love, healing, and abundance. My energy becomes lighter every day. I trust the universe completely. I am aligned with positivity and peace. My soul is healing beautifully. I deserve happiness and emotional freedom. Positive energy surrounds me now. I attract beautiful experiences into my life. I am becoming my highest self. Everything is unfolding perfectly for me. My energy transforms my reality. Allow these affirmations to sink deeply into your subconscious mind. Every word becomes stronger as your body relaxes further. Your vibration is created through your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and energy. And tonight, you begin shifting into a higher frequency. Imagine yourself now floating gently above the clouds beneath a sky filled with stars. The universe around you feels infinite, peaceful, and alive. Soft golden light surrounds your body completely. Every breath fills you with calmness and positive energy. As you float peacefully through this beautiful night sky, you begin feeling emotionally lighter. Old negativity slowly dissolves away. Fear disappears. Stress fades. Emotional heaviness leaves your body completely. Your energy becomes brighter and more powerful. You begin realizing something beautiful. You are deeply connected to the energy of the universe itself. And the more peaceful your energy becomes, the more your life begins changing. Your vibration affects everything. Your thoughts, your emotions, your relationships, your experiences, your reality. Tonight, your subconscious mind aligns with peace, love, abundance, clarity, confidence, and emotional healing. Imagine now a radiant future version of yourself appearing before you. This future version of you looks peaceful, confident, joyful, spiritually aligned. Notice the calmness in their eyes, the light in their energy, the peace in their smile. Your future self gently says, "You are becoming the person you were always meant to be." Trust your energy. Trust your transformation. Everything is improving beautifully for you. Feel these words entering deeply into your subconscious mind. Tonight, your energy shifts into alignment with your highest reality. You are no longer connected to fear and negativity. You are choosing peace. You are choosing healing. You are choosing higher consciousness. As your body becomes heavier and sleepier, your nervous system relaxes completely. Your breathing slows naturally. Your subconscious mind now absorbs healing and positive energy deeply while you sleep tonight. Every hour of sleep raises your vibration further. Every breath deepens your emotional healing. Imagine waking tomorrow morning feeling lighter, calmer, and more positive. Imagine feeling emotionally balanced and spiritually connected. Imagine attracting more peaceful experiences into your life naturally. This transformation begins now. Quietly repeat, "My vibration rises naturally. I release negativity completely. Peace flows through my soul. I attract positive energy effortlessly. I trust the universe completely. I deserve love, abundance, and happiness. Everything is improving for me. I am becoming my highest self." Allow these truths to become part of your subconscious identity. Tonight is not just sleep. Tonight is healing, transformation, alignment, awakening. There is nothing to force, nothing to fear. Only peace. Only light. Only possibility. The more you relax, the higher your vibration becomes. Now surrender completely to sleep. Sleep deeply tonight. And awaken tomorrow feeling renewed, emotionally lighter, spiritually aligned, and filled with positive energy.